Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect Wise account with Amazon Seller account. Now, let's get started. First, log into your Wise account. Once you're logged in, go to the section called Balances. Here, you will see a list of currencies you can hold with Wise. If you're getting paid in US dollars by Amazon, make sure you open a USD balance. Click on the USD balance, then select Get Account Details. Wise will now show you local US bank account details. This will include a routing number, an account number, and the bank name. These are the details you will enter into your Amazon account. Next, open a new browser tab and go to your Amazon Seller Central account. Log in using your credentials. Once you're in Seller Central, find the menu called Settings in the top right corner. From the drop-down, select Account Info. On the Account Info page, look for a section called Deposit Methods or Bank Account Information, depending on your region. This is where you will update or add the bank account where Amazon sends your payouts. Click Edit next to your current deposit method or select Add if you haven't added any account yet. Amazon will now ask for your bank account details. Choose the country that matches the currency you want to receive. For example, if you want to get paid in US dollars, select the United States as the country, even if you're not located there. Then, enter the Wise bank account details you copied earlier. This includes the routing number, account number, and the bank name. Make sure you enter these exactly as they appear in your Wise account. Double-check all the information, then save the changes. Amazon may send you a verification code by email or SMS to confirm the change. Complete this verification step if prompted. That's it. Your Wise account is now connected to Amazon. From now on, when Amazon sends your seller payouts, the money will arrive in your Wise account. You can then convert it to your local currency or send it to your local bank at a low cost. If you ever need to update your bank details, you can follow the same steps to remove or replace the account. This method works not only for the US dollar, but also for other currencies Wise supports like Euros, British Pounds, or Australian dollars. Just open the right balance in Wise, get the local account details, and enter them into Amazon the same way. By the way, if you're tired of paying high fees moving money around, Wise is one of the best ways to do it. I use it myself to send and receive money with some of the lowest fees out there. Plus, you get free virtual and physical debit cards that work globally. Right now, you can grab an exclusive offer. Your first transfer up to $800 is completely free with zero fees. Create your free Wise account today using the link below.